Have you ever eaten a full meal only to find yourself still hungry and looking in the food cupboard about 30 minutes afterwards? Well, it's not because you lack willpower, it's because your body and your brain are doing exactly what they were designed to do. So let's talk about why your body stores fat and how to navigate the modern food world without being tricked by it. You see, humans are hardwired for survival. Hundreds of thousands of years ago, finding food was, well, it was unpredictable. So our bodies evolved to seek out high energy foods, that mixture of carbohydrates and fats, store excess energy as body fat for use later on in case we have a period of time of no food. And also, we trigger those hunger hormones even after eating if our bodies sense that there are certain nutrients missing. So, storing fat was our insurance policy against famine. But of course, today in the modern world, there is no famine, but our biological programming has remained the same. And the problem is the modern food environment is the exact opposite of what our biology expects. So, how do modern foods hijack our brains? So, food today, modern food, is not just food, it's been engineered to look and taste like food. Many products in the supermarkets are ultra processed and they've been designed to be hyper palatable, that perfect mix of fat, sugar, and salt. They've also been designed to bypass our satiety signals and they trigger dopamine in the brain. That's your brain's reward chemical. So even when you've just eaten, your body may still be searching for food, not for more calories, but potentially for missing nutrients. And if your meal lacked enough protein or sufficient key minerals, your body will keep sending out hunger signals, not because you're greedy, but because your body is still asking the question, well, where's the nourishment? So, how can we navigate around this supermarket trap that we find ourselves in? There's no doubt but that the modern supermarket is a behavioral psychology experiment. Bright colours, eye level placement of food, words like natural, low fat, guilt free, and the endless choice. It just creates a sense of overwhelm. And most of what's on the shelves isn't real food. It's food-like products made to keep us eating, not to keep us healthy. So to change this situation, we need to retrain how we think when we go into a supermarket. When we shop the perimeter, that's where we're going to find the fresh food, the vegetables, the meat, the dairy, the eggs. And we need to make sure we look at the back of the product. So not just the front, not just the labels. We need to actually look at the ingredients and ask ourselves the question, does this food serve my health? So how can we think differently about food? So changing our body begins with changing the mindset. So instead of asking, what can I eat that's low in calories? If we ask ourselves, what can I eat that will nourish my body and stop the cycle of hunger? That's when we can start to change our relationship with food. And here's some examples. Choose protein and healthy fats over quick carbohydrates. Focus on real whole foods and stop fearing fat and stop fearing fake foods. The more you eat real food, the quieter those food noise cravings become, and your body will feel safe, nourished, and will finally stop asking for more. The problem is that we live in a system designed to confuse our biology, but we can take back control. So be conscientious, be curious, and be prepared to make changes to your food choices.